Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my name is Syed Abdurrahman. I'm a student of grade 9 Ideal Indian School, Doha, Qatar. Today we are going to solve the question number 3 from exercise 2.2. Now, in this question number 3, we are having 8 sub questions. So, we are not going to solve all the 8 questions in one video. We will solve the first 4 questions in one video and then the next 4 questions in our next video, inshallah. So, first we have P of x, right? Now the first question. So first question is P of x is equals to 3x plus 1 where x is equals to minus 1 by 3. So what is the heading first of all? So verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial. Indicate against them. Now this is the question, right? So what is the meaning of the question? So question means that we have some given values. So this is P of x, right? So whenever they are giving us a value, for example here like this, we have to show that we are getting the remainder as 0. Okay, we are just going to do all the calculations, and if the remainder is 0, if the final answer is 0, then we can tell that x is equals to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of polynomial, like that. So let's start. Okay, now what is the question? Now the question is P of x is equals to 3x plus 1, right? This is the question. So here the given value is here. Now minus 1 by 3, right? So we have to substitute it. 3 into, or we can just make it in bracket, 1 by 3. Okay, fine. Then here we have 3 and 3, right? So we can cancel them both because both are in division. So then we have minus 1 left is equals to, then minus 1, here we have plus 1 also, minus 1 and plus 1. So minus and plus are having different signs, right? So when they are having different signs, we can tell that they are subtraction, right? We are doing subtraction. Is equals to 1 minus 1 and plus 1 is 0, right? So we can tell that P of x is x is equals to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of polynomial. Okay, we can simply just write yes. Okay, now let's see the second question. Now second question is P of x is equals to 5x minus pi. So this is the question and that is the given value. So x is equals to 4 by 5. So P of x will be equal to P of 4 by 5, right? And then we will have 5x is equals to 5. Then this we will substitute it, 4 by 5 minus pi. Okay. So now this pi and this 5 we can substitute, right? I mean we can cancel. So both of them are cancelled. Now the leftover are 4 minus pi. Okay, now 4 minus pi, right? So when we are having pi is an irrational number, right? Okay, forget about the irrational numbers and rational numbers. So if we take 4 minus pi, even if we take 4 minus 3.14, that is the value of pi, like this, and subtract it, we are not going to get 0, right? So we can tell that this is not a 0 of polynomial. Okay, we can just write no. Then we will do the question number 3 and 4 after erasing this. So I will pause this and then continue the video for 3 and 4. Okay, so now I have erased that and now we will continue the question number 3 and 4 for this video. Then the question number 3 is P of x equals to x squared minus 1, right? So this is the question and we have been given two values, so we will do both of them at once. So x is equals to 1 after 1. So P of x, right? So x squared. First we will take P of 1. First we will take 1. Then we will take minus 1. Okay, so P of 1 is equals to 1 square minus 1. Okay, now here we have 1 square, right? So 1 square is 1 into 1. So we can tell that 1, that is 1. Then minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, right? We can tell that this is 0. Okay, then let's take minus 1. P of minus 1 is equals to, this will become minus 1 square minus 1, right? Minus 1 square minus 1. Then minus 1 square will be minus 1 into minus 1. Same sign means that will be positive, right? So we can tell that that will be 1 minus 1 again. Then 1 minus 1 is simple, that is 0. Okay, so we can tell that both of them are the zeros of polynomial. Yes, we can just simply write yes. Okay, now let's see the fourth one. Now fourth one is x plus 1, x minus 2, and we have been given two values. X is equals to minus 1 and 2. So let's try with minus 1. So x will be minus 1, right? Then minus 1 plus 1 in bracket, and then minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so both are different here, right? Minus 1 and plus 1 are different. So that will be subtraction. So minus 1 minus 1 will be 0. Then what is minus 1 minus 2? Both sides are same, right? So we have to add them. So minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. And here we have to add them because we are having brackets in between. We can write into minus 3. Okay. So now 0 into minus 3 will be 0 itself, right? So we can tell that minus 1 is a 0 of polynomial. So let's stick with 2. Now this will be 2 plus 1 in one bracket, and then 2 minus 2 in one bracket, right? Then 2 plus 1 is 3, right? Then into, because we are having brackets, 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so 3 into 0 will be 0, right? So we can tell that the answer is 0. Now both of them are zeros of polynomial, right? So both are having zeros as the answer. So we can tell that both of them are zeros of the polynomial. So this was for this video. We will continue the question number 3 in our next video, inshallah. Till that, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.